my body language program. Okay, body language is a killer technique program that I've developed that will give you an unbelievable edge over other men when it comes to success with women in dating. Now, body language teaches you how to read the very subtle and secret signals that women are sending and receiving, okay? And it's a real language. You can practically read her mind and not only give her exactly what her body is showing you that she wants, but also give her what she needs in order to feel attraction, okay? What she needs to feel attraction. Here are a few of the things that you learn inside the body language program. You've heard and probably experienced the old saying that nice guys finish last, right? Well, in body language, I'll explain to you why that happens and exactly what to do to overcome it. Okay? And it has to do with your own portrayal of sexual confidence, not just how you look or what you say. Okay? And if you learn this tip, it is going to increase your success with women exponentially. You'll learn the secret sequence of the human mating ritual, okay, that begins with eye contact and then ends with sex. Women instinctively know what this is. They know the whole sequence, but most men don't. Okay? We don't know where we're at in the process. When you learn it, and then you learn how to walk through it with confidence and masculine leadership, okay, you will create a tremendous amount of attraction. Now, women read body language much better. Now, your body language, it sends her signals instantly that tell her in a split second if you're a potential mate or a waste of her time. And when you learn how to program your own body language into an attractive, almost a beacon that piques her interest and makes her want to know you, okay, it really makes a big difference. Okay, it creates a lot of interest. You'll learn a set of simple tweaks to the way that you stand that allow your body to project like a primal high status or dominance that triggers an animal magnetism that moves women, in a lot of cases, to approach you. Okay, and if you learn this, okay, you'll actually start seeing women approach you and talk to you for a change. You'll also learn a simple way to hug a woman that gives her kind of a jolt of attraction and will keep her thinking about you and it for days. Okay, and this is just a juicy little secret that not many men know, and there's lots of these tips inside of the body language program. This program will take you from zero to a powerful understanding of the unspoken flirting and sexual cues that are the foundation of chemistry and attraction. It's very powerful.